everyone, welcome to the channel One at a Time. My name is Emily. Today I want to share with you a recipe that uses potatoes. We're using potatoes that were harvested on our farm in the fall of 2021. And we're going to make some oven baked fries. And they're going to be seasoned and really yummy, and they're one of my family's favorites. Ingredients for this recipe are basil, oregano, vegetable oil, 4 potatoes, an onion, a clove of garlic, and some salt. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. After you preheat your oven, just wash your potatoes. Okay, we're going to take a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a little bit more maybe. Put that in our bowl. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon basil, and a scant teaspoon of salt. Now I take a whisk and I whisk this up to get these seasonings mixed well into the oil and set that aside. Now I need to chop up my garlic and my onion. Alright, we're going to add the onions and the garlic to our oil and seasoning mixture. Now it's time to cut our potatoes. We're going to cut them like we would French fries, so very thin. We're just going to add these to our onion and seasonings. Just throw them in. Now we need to stir the seasoning and the potatoes. The potatoes are coated with our oil and seasonings, and so now we just need to put them on our pan and put them in the oven to bake. Here they are, yummy, yummy oven fries. Tell me about the flavor of these potatoes.
They're good. I think they need more crunch though.
You like them crunchier? Okay, that's a valid point. So if you like your French fries crunchier, what you can do is after the 20 minutes, take them out of the oven and turn them all over and put them in for longer. And that is just according to taste. So you're gonna have to look at them and check them. I would do 5-minute increments at first, and maybe just keep an eye on it until it gets crispy like you like your French fries. Thanks, Marianne.
Yep.
I like these French fries because I can put them together in the oven and they can cook while I work on the hamburgers or the other dishes that go with dinner. Till next time, everyone, eat more potatoes, wear wool, and ask for USA lamb and beef at your local grocery store.